Good morning, Namaskar to everyone. I hope you are all well. Today in this class we will be learning about arrange the words according to the dictionary. So there are some words on the blackboard, whiteboard, and but first of all you should know what is dictionary. So dictionary, what is dictionary? I hope you all know. So dictionary means it's a book. It's a kind of book in which you find out the meaning of a word. It can be Bengali dictionary, English dictionary, any kind of language dictionary. Okay. But my point is that there are some words 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, come to these words. There are some words cat, mat, rat, ant. But you have to identify, you have to find out which word comes first. So alphabetically, dictionary means, alphabetically it is arranged this like cat, mat, rat, ant. So first of all, what you should do, you will look at the word cat, mat, rat, ant. And the word that starts with which letter? So CAT, cat, the cat word starts with C letter. And mat letter, it starts with M letter. Rat, R letter, and A letter. So which word? Alphabetically, which word comes to the dictionary first? So obviously here and because A is the first letter in English. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This way actually we will find the words in a dictionary. And then, so this is first, and then A, C obviously, then cat, and then the word mat or rat. So mat because M, then, and after M we will get rat. I mean R. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So which word comes first? And then cat, CAT cat, and then mat, MAT mat, and then rat. Fine. But this is very easy because totally different word with different letters. Cat, mat, rat, ant. But the exam-oriented questions are basically very different and very nervous questions. It makes up your mind, it makes up your head. And even a good students, even an intelligent student, gets the wrong answer. And it perhaps doesn't mean that he doesn't know, but actually somehow some words and even chatak gei, photak kore keu kichu answer dete pare na. Suddenly into you will get not the answer. Let's look at these words: bundle, bindle, bunny, and boot. What you will do first? So first of all, each word. Look at each word, and each word starts with a B. All these words are, consist of B letter. So it starts with B. It also starts with B. It also starts with B. But which one comes first? That is the questions. And I will say, and I will definitely say, it's very easy. So I will show some method. Please follow. So first of all, what you will do to identify which one actually will come first? So give a pen. It is a red pen is there. Give a pen and underline this every word that are common. So it starts with B. It also B. But I can understand which one is the first one. That's why I have to jump up at the next letter. So B-U, here the B-I, B-U, and B-O. Go. B-O. Just a minute. Okay, cool. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. Now next is the B-U and B-I, B-U and B-O. Okay, fine. But I couldn't understand which one, which word will come first. So you have to think like this: BU, BI, BU and BU. So here BU is come. BU and BU. Then what will be the next one? So you have to jump at the next letter. BUN, BUN. So first three letters are common. BUN, BUN. Then similarly you have to jump at the next letter. BUN, BUND. So D come first or N? Obviously D. So bundle is the first word. And then bun is the second one. And then BI or BO. As you said, BI and BO. So obviously BI is the first. That's why it's 3 and BO. Which one is left one? Obviously